This section, the correction of error, reframes how we think about fixing others. Our urge to correct is often the ego's trap, not a path to healing. In this module, we will explore a radical alternative, shifting from trying to repair people to seeing the truth in them, which opens the way to genuine healing. Here we examine the illusion of being helpful. The ego tells us that pointing out others' mistakes is kind and responsible. Yet this mindset is itself an error. When we focus on flaws, we reinforce the ego in both people. True support does not come from diagnosing what is wrong, but from seeing beyond it. We operate through two incompatible lenses. The lens of fracture is hypervigilant to others' errors, analyzing and trying to fix them. The lens of clarity cannot even perceive the error as real. It looks only at the underlying truth. Our task is educational, to recognize which lens we are using and consciously choose clarity. This slide outlines the mechanics of an egoic correction. First, we judge and treat the error as real. Second, we condescend, telling the other they are wrong. Third, we become infected, seeing through our own ego. The outcome is not healing, but shared confusion, because we have abandoned correction within ourselves. Perception has a price. When we perceive another's errors as real and react to them, we make those errors real in our own mind. Accepting a brother's guilt means accepting our own. This is not divine punishment. It is the natural result of choosing a distorted guide and seeing ourselves in a fractured mirror. This diagnostic matrix contrasts egoic correction with correction by the Holy Spirit. The ego focuses on flaws, uses judgment, and assumes the power to fix others, leading to guilt and arrogance. The Holy Spirit looks at inherent sanity, uses inner forgiveness, and rests on the belief that our true nature is already intact. True healing comes through sanity, not analysis of insanity. When someone behaves irrationally, we are invited to perceive the sanity that still exists in them. Their errors do not arise from their true nature and cannot change it. By holding this view, we protect the truth in both of us and enable real healing. Here we address the arrogance of self-correction. Any attempt to fix another assumes we can even correct ourselves, which we cannot. This is the ego claiming a power it does not possess. Authentic correction belongs to God. Our role is to refrain from taking over His function, or we lose sight of our own. Shared atonement means forgiveness is collective. The Holy Spirit releases both you and your brother from past errors at once. Practically, this means not taking on God's role. We accept others exactly as they are and hand their mistakes, and our own, to the Holy Spirit. Healing is never separate. It is shared love. We conclude with 3 practices. First, disregard the error and refuse to react to the ego. Second, perceive the sanity by looking past behavior to the person's inherent truth. Third, relinquish correction and allow the Holy Spirit to heal both of you. Walking together in truth is how we stay on the path.